I'm at Central Station and it's 10 minutes to 5. We're gonna catch a train to Kayama. It's actually for a 40th birthday for Big May. It'll be interesting because the weather is looking a little bit wet. Ashley not around. So there was a slight hiccup before we boarded the train. We were aiming for a 5:02 train and we missed it just by 4 seconds. But it came down to we couldn't identify which platform we were at. Yeah, we had two to choose from, and we didn't want to jump on the wrong train, so which is why we ended up on the next train, which was not too bad. It was 25 minutes later. We got off at Oaks Flat Station. I keep forgetting that name. And we're just walking to a bottle shop, get some supplies, some water, hopefully, and then we should be on our way, either through a contact of Nick or Nick himself, or maybe even a taxi to the campsite. But meanwhile, it's so far so good, even though we have lots of things to carry.
How come I get all the heavy stuff? I'm older.
I got a bumper bar. First night, we are at the campsite. It's pretty chilly, actually, don't you think?
Yes.
Yeah, well, it's windy. It's near the creek. I think the sounds will probably make me want to go to the toilet. Actually, we need to work out that system.
There's a toilet over there.
Is that necessary?
What?
Like to go there?
No, you just go to the toilet, knock on the door, and if anybody's there,
Okay.
don't go in.
But it's so far.
Don't want any accidents. No accidents.
Ashley's tent is awesome. It was really easy to put up. Well, I pretty much just stood by and held the ropes and poles. Ashley did most of the hard work.
As always.
Um,
Carrying all you people.
so we're all set up. It's got food in there. We've laid our sleeping bags. We've divided our sections. Don't really know what's the plan or activity tonight, actually. Maybe it's just a matter of...
There's a fire there. Oh, sorry, I think there's a fire and all that kind of stuff. Dead away.
Oh, fire.
Yes, fire.
Are they cooking stuff?
No, I think they're just, well, they could be just telling stories and playing some music and relaxing.
It's not much you can see out here, but I'll try to shoot the best I can, do as much camera exposure as possible, but you know, the only source of light is this thing I'm holding and
my
torchlight.
Not rapier, rapier as a sword.
Of course he has to inject something sexual in there.
No.
No?
I hate video.
Really?
What is that? What's on there?
It's an anamorphic lens.
What's an anamorphic? We need to set up, like tomorrow's going to look so good, like we're going to have all these lights on the trees.
Well, if you need a hand, I mean, like...
Yeah, I just don't think they're doing anything tonight.
This guy is the birthday boy.
The old fart.
Ah, not yet.
Brr.
We know someone older around a month.
This guy over here. Are you guys doing dinner?
Hey?
Are you doing dinner?
We'll probably just snack.
This is my dinner. Bread and spaghetti. I'm just going to throw it in the fire.
You.
Fire, it burns so bright. It hurts my eyes, but I like it.
The head is a bit sore. Yeah, I think it's probably lack of water. I think that nightcap itself, as Ashley calls it, was a little bit too strong or too much. It started to a very pleasant day, you know, weather-wise. It's holding up and it's pretty cool. I mean, cool temperature, cool.
That's a big finger.
Yes, it is, isn't it? Due to the lack of water, I'm gonna attempt to brush my teeth with...
We're not animals, you know.
I wish I could show you more, but I kind of have to respect people's boundaries, and that would mean their privacy. So, which is why I could only show you the premise, but not really what happens in between. I guess that's the nature of being in the common area, but that's normal because, you know, everyone may not necessarily want to be on video. Ash and I were heading down to the little township, probably get some water. Get some water, get some food. Just walking to town. This place might sell some water. We made it.
Civilization.
I know. I just noticed that.
Civilization. It's great.
We made it back to the camp. Thankfully, we bumped into another friend of ours, David, and he gave us a ride. Yeah, we picked up some supplies along the way, which helps. Yeah, so that saved us an hour and a half worth of walk, which was actually pretty tiring.
The girl wanted to be rude.
So Jono and Jin have just arrived, and they're setting up their little tent. And in the midst of it, I see Nick May walking.
This is a table.
Oh,
Believe it or not. field of vision's really low now.
Can you see?
Not very well.
You can walk on the birthday boy, 40 years old.
Don't say 40. I feel like I'm 27. Yeah, I feel good. I feel happy. I feel grounded, and I feel like the older I get, the more comfortable I am in my skin. So it's good.
Excellent.
Yeah, I feel happy. I'm free. Two beautiful angels.
The Coleman, that light. Is that their logo?
I think so. At Jamie's house last night, and they have a dress-up box right at the
Thanks, man. How was your first time camping?
Very nice.
Haven't got the A-nose.
Not as bad as you thought.
No, it was great.
Cool.
Great party. Happy birthday again.
Thanks, man. Thanks for coming.
So that's the end of our camping. 2 nights, 2.5 day. Nick seems to be a happy man. Everyone showed up. And now we're just heading back to the city where kind fella David Collier is giving us a ride.
Farewell gift.
Hungry bum there too, look.
See ya!
Yeah.